Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are looking at the Letscom H802 Wireless Earbuds. Alright, let's get started. So in the box, so you've got a nice looking faux leather case here. Your earbuds, very light. So we'll look at those in a second. That's kind of cool, a little smiley face there. So that must be our charger cable, shall we? Okay, so in this box you have your ear tips. There's two pairs and there's already a pair on the headphones, so that's 3 pairs in total. You get your satisfaction card, you get your user manual, and you get a micro USB flat cable for those who prefer flat cables. Okay, so the case. This is a faux leather cover. Doesn't smell like leather. It's a good looking case though. Apple, take notice. White leather charging cases for your AirPods. Sounds like a great idea and you heard it here first, I think. Okay, there's a port at the bottom to charge the battery inside. The battery in the case is a 500 mAh battery. And this should charge your headphones at least 4 times. And at the front, I noticed this earlier when I opened it up. So you've got these LED lights. They turn on as soon as you open the case. It tells you exactly how much power you've got left in the battery in the case, which is kind of cool. So when you open it up, you can see you've got your 2 ports for your headphones and there's the connectors for each of the earbuds. And I just noticed at the back there's 2 connectors which actually connect up to what looks like a metal plate on the case. So that's how it knows when it's open. Interesting. It would have been nice had they put a little padding at the top here. That would have been a nice touch, but still, great case. One of the best I've seen so far. Great job, Letscom. Okay, so I think I'm going to need to charge the headphones and read the manual for a bit. So when charging the headphones, you'll notice that the LEDs go from a white to a red, showing you that both headphones are actually charging. The earbuds actually come in 2 colors. They come in this grey and they come in a purple, and the only thing that changes is this button here. So the grey buttons will change to purple, everything else remains black. They've got a magnetic fit and it's a strong magnetic fit, and you can see how strong the magnets are. If you kind of get the headphones close to each other, they do swing around, so that's pretty good. When they're in the case, because of that magnetic fit, they won't drop out. And the easiest way I found to get them out, instead of trying to lift them out, is to push from the backs. They are very light, lighter than the others that I reviewed, and a little smaller as well. Each earbud contains a 45 mAh battery, which although not very large, still gives you about 3 hours playtime. They take around an hour to charge, unlike the case which does take an hour and a half. These are Bluetooth 5s, so obviously you can connect from a distance of up to 10 meters, which is about 33 feet. So you can connect from a distance of 10 meters. Oh, and there's something to be aware of. Unlike the other headphones that I reviewed, these aren't actually waterproof. There's no IP rating that I could find anywhere, so don't use them in the shower. You probably don't want to sweat on them too much either. Okay, let's get on with the sound test. Well, that was surprising. It sounded grand. So I have a few videos that I watch online, and one of them is a sound test. Great sound throughout the test, which is what surprised me. These were £31. I didn't get them on a lightning deal, but it's fine, they're still pretty good. Because they weren't on a lightning deal, they cost around the same as the other 2 headphones that I got, which were closer to £33. The sound is very good for the price and the drivers work well under pressure. I did find the treble to be a little bit raspy at points, but I'm wondering if that had something to do with the low quality of the video. When listening to HD music tracks or watching HD music videos though, they were very good. No raspy sound to the treble, bass didn't crackle at all. Great sounding headphones. If these were waterproof, I reckon these would be some of the best out there. One of the audio tests I actually did was for, it goes through the entire treble range and also tests the vibrations for the drivers. So it sends out a bass which basically vibrates the driver, and obviously if it starts to crack under pressure, you'll hear it. So conclusion, you have this cool looking faux leather case. The case is powered by a 500 mAh battery. You can charge your headphones 4 times using the case. It takes an hour and a half to charge the case. The headphones are powered by a 45 mAh battery. They take an hour to charge. They're Bluetooth 5, which is what everyone seems to be using these days. Very lightweight, almost £10 cheaper than most of the other headsets, but they're not waterproof. They sound good across the board. Everything is managed well by the little drivers in the earbuds. The only issue I have is the fact that they're not waterproof. For the price, you could get a pair which are waterproof, so you can do things like go swimming, you could use them at the gym, but I'm not sure how good they'll sound. These are definitely worth a punt. You won't be disappointed by the sound, but just be aware you might be able to find a pair for swimming if that's what you're looking for. As always, if you didn't like the video, you can hit the dislike button, but if you liked it, think about subscribing and turning on notifications, and I'll see you in the next unboxing.